Hi, Ron One here in the Little Willard shop for Dumb Bros World, and we're going to do another gun upgrade. I'm going to do a few little upgrades to my Glock 43 9mm. This is the one I carry about 3/4 of the time, and the rest of the time I rotate two others in there. So we're going to do a few things to it, and of course, unload it. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a new grip on it here, a Hogue Handall beaver tail grip sleeve. One thing about this Glock 43, when I got it, it's so thin that in my hand I tend to pull it a little left, and I hear when you have a too thin a gun in your hand that will happen. And so I thought maybe if I put this on, it'll give me a little bit more thickness in there and help me pull that trigger straight back a little better. So we'll give that a shot. And we've got a Hive Technologies little replacement for this back here. I'm not sure what the hell that's called. I guess I should know what that piece back there is called, but we're going to replace it with this red and white honeycomb Hive piece. And the reason I went red is because I also got some Taran Tactical 2-round extensions for the mags. Got 2 of them. I have 3 mags, but I just got 2 for now. For the Glock 43, they make 1, 2, and 3 round extensions for it. So I've always liked the look of them. I've seen these on other guys' guns and never did know or figure out where the hell they were getting them, but now I know. Taran Tactical has them for most of your popular carry guns. And they come in about, geez, I don't know, 8 or 10 different anodized colors that you can pick. And they even, for the Glock 32-round magazine, they make a 10-round extension for that thing. Holy smokums. That's for the 9mm Glocks. So, and when you get, I believe it's when you get an extension for 2 or more, they also give you a replacement spring for your magazine. Make sure you got enough spring tension to operate it properly. So, I guess we'll get started here. So, what shall we start with? I don't know. Let's start with the little Hive thing here. Now, I've changed these things before. I'm not sure. I think somehow you release this thing here, I think, and it slides out. I need a smaller punch to do that, and it just slides down. I changed the one on my XDS, so there's a little like pin there, and this is just a little too big, so I'm gonna go get a punch that fits, and we'll be right back. We'll put this thing on here. It's pretty tiny. I'll probably lose it before I get it on. Red anodized as well, so be right back. Okay, I got what I needed to put this little slide plate on. You have to take your slide off. I'm sure everybody pretty much knows how to do that on a Glock. And go in here and pull back on this piece in here, and it should start sliding off. Keyword is should. And it's sliding. Oh! Did just what I didn't want to do. Let my thumb go and something popped out. So, I gotta find that. That is gonna be hell to find in this shop. But it's over here somewhere. Hit my hair, hit the ceiling, came down, I heard it hit over here, and I'm guessing it's a spring. So, anyway, there it is. Dang, it was pretty stuck. I should have probably lubricated it. It's pretty stuck, and when it finally gave, my thumb slipped off. So, obviously, I'm going to shut the camera off, search for that piece, not knowing what it looks like. Wish me luck. Alright, we're back. I found the spring. I was all panicky. It's in this piece that goes on the side here that we'll have to depress when we put it in. And there's 3 total pieces in there, and I thought I lost all 3. Well, I found the spring. One of them is a spring. The first piece that goes down in there was still in there. And I found the spring, then I didn't realize the third piece was still inside the spring, so I got everything. So, much different than my XDS. I don't know. So anyway, let's see if we can get this back on now. Me and my clumsy old man hands here. So we got to depress this center thing. Hold that depressed and get it started. Easier said than done. So okay, then we get that started, then that holds that centerpiece in. Now we come back and press this little side gizmo thingy bopper down. Hopefully. The thing that popped out. And that should allow it there to slide in the rest of the way, and then I don't know if you heard it, it clicked, it snaps in at the end. So we got her back. All that for that, gang. Woo! What us gun guys will go through. Holy crap, holy. So, good to go there. Let's go ahead and put this slide back on here. There it is. What I do to get a little red on the gun to match these magazine extensions. Oh well, what the hell. What good is it if you can't just make your gun your own and kind of make it unique from all the million others out there? So, next, let's do the whole grip. Oh boy, I kind of read up on that. We might have to heat it up with the heat gun. It says that's better if you can heat it up. Works much better because it's going to be tight. And, wow, yeah. And they even tell you too that, let's see, it goes like this. To use, to take the packaging and cut some of the plastic off of the back of the packaging, some 1-inch strips, and then round the edges and then fold them in half. And supposedly those are going to go, probably got these too long in the front and the back, which will help to get it on. Let's just see. Now it is unloaded, so if I point it at me, it's, don't get excited. Sometimes you got to do that when you work on a gun. Man, that thing just looks 14 size is too small. You know what I mean. So, it is for a Glock 43. So, let's see here. I think we're going to have to heat this sucker up. Put one of these plastic things in this side. Because, man, that's got to stretch like a freaking inch there. Can't even get it started down the other side. So I'm going to go get my heat gun, take another trip, hunt down my heat gun, and we'll be back. Boy, it's turning out to be a project. Okay, got my Black & Decker heat gun. Got 2 settings. We'll go with the low one here. Now if I can keep from burning myself and or melting this grip here, we'll be in business. It's getting softer. They do say they make them for a tight fit. I believe it. Oh, so close yet so far. I think I'm going to take this thing and boy, that's close. Heat her up some more. Right on the low setting here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, almost hands on there. Just started burning the shit out of my finger. Hey, oh. Ah. Well, I got it on there, but it wouldn't stay. I think that plastic was more harm than help that they said to use. Got the back side a little bit here. Need about 14 more hands. But I haven't set anything on fire yet. Oh, now the front came off. Yeah. Whew. Well, I got it started. Probably almost halfway. Actually, I think might be there. Yeah, that's it. Snug all the way around there. It's on straight. I believe that is it. Not a lot to it, but it does feel good. Makes it a good size for my hand now. Okay. Melted that plastic. Yeah, that plastic idea worked real great there, Hogue. Anyway, that's the Hogue Handall Beaver Grip Sleeve. This one fits the Glock 42 and 43, and this is the 43. So we got that on now. We got the wing dinghy there, the slide cover on. Now we're going to do the mag extensions. We're still unloaded here. And that's flush all the way around there, so looking good. Okay, let me get resituated, get rid of this thing, and we'll work on the mag extensions. God, I hope that's easier. Okay. Well, I had the camera off. I went ahead and did the first magazine, so I know what I'm doing, and I'm glad I wasn't running the camera, because I didn't know what I was doing. I kind of forgot that Glock, so I got this other mag apart here. It has these little tabs here, and when you're sliding that thing, you got to kind of squeeze the case in from the side to get it on and off. It helps. So, once I figured that out, things worked out. So there is the first one done. Got 8 rounds in it. Original mag was just 6, and like I said, you can get a 3-rounder one. I'm still going to have one standard mag left here, which maybe I'll go ahead and try the 3-rounder later on. But anyway, now there's 8 plus 1 in the chamber, 9 rounds in the little Glock 43. It helps. And I think it's going to look good. I'm not going to stick it in the gun yet till I get this other one on. So, let's see what we can do here. I already got the springs changed out. This spring is quite a bit longer than the standard one. Like I said, every magazine, I think adding 1 round uses a chain spring. Anything to above, they give you a spring. So, let's see if we can get this in here now. This is for younger people that have a little more dexterity than this old man. What the hell's going on now? Push it in there. It looks like it. It's not in here. There. So, like this. Press the spring so you can keep this one from flying all over eternity. Get it started up to the little nubs. Get my little pliers here and just give it a light squeeze right there about where those nubs are, and then push. Slide over the nubs. And we're just about home free. Go forward. Okay, now, got a little bit more to go. A little more to go. Don't come near, fella. It's hard to have that good grip anymore with my hands. Let's squeeze and see it. Still got a fraction to go there. Huh. There. There's something. There's a pot. Yeah. That's it. And then what holds it in there is, they have this pin here, then you push down, and it holds that cap holds it from sliding off. Looks like it could go in a little more. What the heck is going on here? Well, it looks like it's in all the way, but that pin is just hitting a bit. There it goes. There we go. Woo! Just got to put some old man muscle in it. And there's the other one. Wow. So I got to get some more bullets to load that one up, but let's put this one that's got none in it in the gun and see how she looks. Ooh. That didn't go in all the way. Uh-oh. Wonder if this little aftermarket thing here I put on a while back, I put a little American flag gizmo on here, and I think that's not compatible with this magazine. Yeah, it's not. It hits this magazine right back here, so I need to take that off. I think that was just a press fit, I believe. Yep. Little gizmo there with the American flag. Guess I can't use that now. Alright, again. Oh, I forgot to put that sucker in there. Ah. Okay. That's all the upgrades, minor ones, but so we got the 2-round Terran Tactical here for 2 magazines. Got the HYVE Hive little slide cover plate, red with a couple hexagon white things there. And oh, and the whole grip. Oh, when I was pushing it in there with that other piece in there, it pushed this pin back out, so I need to drive that pin back up in there. So, there it is. Cool. Another upgrade done. This was a torturous one. Simple little things, but my golly, it's just me, I'm sure, but they were tough. So let's take a little close-up of it here.